Today we're going to discuss ELCO's amazing Koto system. Here's an exquisitely engineered modular whole project LED fixture line for use especially in upscale residential homes, hospitality, and commercial spaces such as retail shops, offices, and restaurants. The system itself is elegantly simple. The Koto LED light engine is the heart of this familiar three-piece recessed system. First, install a housing or frame. Next, connect the Koto module with your choice of lens and filters that can be swapped out on a whim before or after installation. The engine itself quick connects in seconds. Finally, with a simple twist, the module locks into the trim to finish the installation beautifully. But the Koto system doesn't stop at recessed lighting. Using the same instant installation, the Koto light engine fits into a line of silo coordinating decorative pendants, track heads, surface mount, and monopoint fixtures. It all starts with the standard Koto LED light module. This elegant light engine is available in either preset or selectable color temperatures. Lumen output is available that exceeds 1,000 lumens. This module ships standard with 38, 24, and 60-degree lenses included. The next option is the architectural module. This engine offers up to 1,650 lumens with 0 to 10 dimming on 120 or 277 volt circuits. There's a retrofit 12-volt module with bi-pin connection to replace old MR16 bulbs and update old installs with no need to bypass the transformer or replace the 4 or 6-inch old housing. We have a line of Koto focus modules with user-adjustable beam spreads from 18 to 50 degrees. The rotatable lens is built in for instant adaptability for changing artwork, displays, and effects. The Koto tunable module offers wireless app-controlled color temperatures ranging from 1800 to 6500 Kelvin. Next is the standard DX module. This module adds 0 to 10 volt dimming and compatibility with 277 volt circuits. But unlike the architectural module, doesn't need a separate driver. So this module extends to our silo fixtures, to standard housings, and can be used for specific retrofit needs. We've also added low lumen version of the Koto engine for use as an accent or alcove light. We even offer a canless Koto version for IC rated install without any housing at all. We've designed a specialty 10-degree narrow spot module. Also available is a standard module with 2400K very warm color temperature for an especially warm atmosphere or vintage look. There's even a 24-volt module for use in audio and video production. Each Koto module is compatible with a full array of Koto recessed trims available in sizes 2-inch, 3-inch, 4, 5, and even 6-inch, square and round in up to 6 different finishes with trimless options and flush mount trim possibilities as well. Our 4 and 6-inch trims will fit almost any existing housing for truly simple LED updates in remodel projects. Let's take a quick moment to show you the most contemporary trim styles available in the Koto line. First is the trimless, which is a favorite for high-end residential as well as architectural spaces. This design seamlessly makes the trim ring invisible. Next are flush mount trims. This process is the same as trimless, but insets the standard Koto trim into a seamless transition across the ceiling surface, rather than having the thickness of the trim rest on top. Both the flush mount and trimless plaster rings are sold separately from the trims. A third choice is the knife edge trim. When installing recessed on a wood ceiling, the installer loses the ability to use plaster mud to cover up the sawed edge of a wood for a finished look. Selection of a knife edge trim provides a thin goof ring to hide the wood edge and allows for the use of trimless inserts to finish an upscale contemporary look. It's important to know the available secondary optics that fit the entire assortment. The first changeable accessory is the lens itself, available in reflector or lens style in a variety of beam spreads. For a better glare shield on low ceilings or pendants, the hex louver is available in both black or white, or a white or black snoot can be added. When installed, the light beam is nearly invisible except to those directly below the beam looking upward. The linear lens will provide a wide rectangular spread to the beam, while the spread lens will broaden the entire beam a few degrees. The frosted diffuser gives a frosted lens look. The color shifter lens will reduce the color temperature of the fixture by about 300 K for a more vintage or warm glow. Finally, we also offer both blue and pink filter accessories to provide 2 more options in answer to customer requests. The housing choices come in all the regular features and differences: fire rated, remodel, box or no box, airtight, and more. The Koto Silo family is a line of decorative fixtures for the rest of any project. 4 fixture formats include monopoints, pendants, track heads, and surface mount cylinders in 2, 3, and 4-inch sizes in white, black, or silver finishes. With each fixture, the modular engine provides the same vast range of features available in all Koto items, including the array of filters and lenses, sunset dimming, adjustable focus beam angle, and more. Well, there you go. That's today's Koto system from ELCO Lighting. Thank you for watching today.